Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to break the data. For example, I have email address. For my standard email address, I have first name dot last name and add domain name. My domain name is ravijob.com. For example, I want to have the first name and last name with the different column. Okay, I will use the email address to break the data. To break the first name and last name with a separate column like that. Okay, we just spend for some minute only, just 1 or 2 minutes to complete this. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, for example, we have information here, so we need first name and last name. So I will note first name is the name at the beginning, and the last name is the name after dot here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, select all the data and select the data and type to column. Okay, and here we connect with skip default. For here, for example, when we want to break data with tab, semicolons, comma, or space or something, but for our example, we use dot to break from first name and last name, so I have to use dot. Example, when I use dot, we will have some data like that. You can see if we use add, we will the Excel will break with the add. Okay, let me try to use the add. You can see the data with different packing. Okay, so for me, I use dot to break the data from here, first name and last name. And let me connect. Where do we want to put the data? Okay, for me, I think I want to put here. When I highlight the black highlight, where we want to put. Okay, for me, I will put data in D. You can see with D for the first name here. I will put in D. I put D7. Okay, I put D. Or you can use this one to select. Okay, I use D. Sorry, we delete all. So go again. I will use destination for destination. I will select here, and I will select here for this one. Yeah, and we press enter, and we click finish. So the data is already. Do you want to replace? Yes, we can replace because there is no data here. Only the table here, so no data in Excel. So click OK. Here we can see the first name. So how we get the last name from here? So we do the same way. Okay, let me do like that. I will select all data here. From here, I will do the same way. Okay, I click on that. I click keep this full and start that. So for the last name, I have to use add symbol. Why I used to add symbol? Because I want to break the data with add between between add. So when I just, if I want to break the data between last name and domain name, I just put add, so it will break the data from here. You can see. So this is the example like data preview, so we can see the data will be like that. Okay, let's go and see where we want to place the data to. Okay, I keep it the same place. E7, okay, in here E7, you can see here the E7, you can see the cell E7. So I keep the last name here. You can see the highlight, the black highlight. So mean that where we want to put this data to, so I put in E7. Okay, I click finish. Okay, also to replace, you can see we have first name and last name here. So any unnecessary information, it is my domain name, so I just delete it. So that's it. You can see we have only email address, so we can generate data to have the first name and the last name. So we no need to tap, like we no need to copy one by one to the other cell like that, example like that. So if, if we do like that, example we copy the data like Dara to this one and we copy this one to this one, so it take my time. So this formula, I think it's very useful to break the data. It's not only with the email, any data we can separate the data by using any specific uh, uh, number or symbol or any other thing. I show you this moment. This is just example. We also can do with other data also, so you can try to use this way to break your data. I hope this video can help you to do your job. In some case you need to break data like me. Okay, thank you for your watching for today. Bye bye.